Did you know that in ancient Rome, a simple sneeze could ruin your entire life? In Roman courts, people didn't just watch the evidence, they watched the signs. If someone sneezed during your testimony, it wasn't just distracting, it was seen as a message from the gods. A sneeze was believed to be a divine warning. If it happened while you spoke, judges might consider it a bad omen and rule against you. Imagine being innocent but cursed by someone's allergies. In a world where gods were part of the justice system, logic and superstition walked hand in hand. Was it a legal system or a spiritual trial? Ancient laws were full of rituals, signs, and hidden fears. Many still influence us today.